वाट लग गई यार, झक्कास, बिंदास, धाकड़, जुगाड़ और भी ना जाने कितने सारे हिंदी वर्ड्स जिनके बगैर हमारा हिंदी कम्युनिकेशन ऑलमोस्ट इनकम्प्लीट है। कभी सोचा है कि इन्हें हिंदी में कहते क्या है और ये कहाँ से आए हैं और कब इतने पॉपुलर हो गए? इसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं खिचड़ी भाषा और इंग्लिश में कहते हैं स्लैंग लैंग्वेज। So last few videos we have tried to be too perfect, but now it's time to learn something cool and fun. In today's video we will learn slang words in English. So without further delaying, let's start the video. So first word is this. Now this word is a shortening of the word legend. And legend, as you all know, means a person who has done something really great or incredible. Now when we use leg as a slang of this word, we try to exaggerate things something more than they actually are, and we try to make that person feel more important. Let's take a sentence. That final goal was amazing. You are a ledge, mate. So second word, this. Now I know it looks really funny, but trust me, it's really cool to use. Now absolutely means when we are exaggerating absolutely and we are certain about something more than 100%. For example, let's take a sentence. I am absolutely going on that trip. See, it's so cool to use this word. Now third word. It simply means 100% and we can replace it with definitely or of course. So let's use it. Are you going to vote in this coming election? Handopi. So simple and so cool to use, isn't it? So fourth word, balls up. Now it simply means a messed up situation. For example, I made a real balls up of my exams. So it will be too cool to use this word in our daily life, definitely. Now, fifth word, it is really common in teenagers, goat. Now, definitely it doesn't mean a real goat, but it simply is an acronym for greatest of all times. And we generally use it while discussing music or sports. For example, let's take a sentence, David Guetta makes goat music. See, another cool word to add to your dictionary. Next word is scrummy. So scrummy means over the top delicious. Let's take a sentence. That bakery is known for its scrummy cakes. So scrummy is that one word to be added to your dictionary right away. So seventh word is slay. Now to slay means to kill something. Not literally kill, but in a good way. For example, aced the test, you slayed it. Wearing something amazing, you are slaying. So slay is definitely a word to be used in daily life. So eighth word is collywobbles. Ever happened with you all when you are on stage and something happening around your stomach? Collywobbles is that word. Collywobbles attack is very common who are afraid of public speaking. So whenever you are on stage, collywobbles is a word to use on stage. Now 9th and 10th words are my personal favorite. FOMO and JOMO. Now FOMO and JOMO are the acronyms. FOMO stands for fear of missing out, whereas JOMO stands for joy of missing out. For example, let's take a sentence. I have a cold, but my deep-seated fear of FOMO or JOMO made me come to this party. So FOMO and JOMO are definitely those words to be added to your dictionary right away. So I hope you liked this cool and unusual video. In order for more such videos, do the things flashing on your screens right away. मिलते हैं next video में.